Hello again. I hope you guys enjoyed our story, My Heart is Like a Zoo. So like I said in the first video, today one of the similes you're gonna have to write for me is how your heart is. What does your heart feel like? Does it feel like a garden? Does it feel like a soccer field? Does it feel like an amusement park? What does your heart feel like? So I know what I'm gonna say, but I'm gonna hold off on telling you just yet because I want you still thinking about what your heart feels like. The other thing you're gonna have to write to me today is how you feel. Not just your heart, but how do you feel right now? Are you happy, sad, scared, excited? Do you feel cool as a penguin, like in our story we just read? Okay, so that's what you're writing today. You're gonna give me two new similes. One about what your heart is like, and then a second one about how you feel. So for me, my heart is like a garden because it is always growing. Yep, that's what I'm gonna write. And then my feelings, right now, I feel sad. I miss you guys so much that I feel sad. And so I'm gonna say I feel as sad as the sun on a cloudy day. Because when it's a cloudy day, do you see the sun? Nope, and I don't get to see you guys. And so I feel like there's something missing in my life. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I write it. You can use your paper from yesterday and just draw a line, or you can start a new paper. If you start a new paper, make sure you write your name and the date. Today's date is 5-13-20. And all of our paper, we're gonna start with my heart is like. So I'm gonna write that. If you need to see it more than just my writing, it's in our directions for the day. So my spaceman heart, spaceman is like a garden. G, g, I'm gonna sound it out. Garden. My heart is like a garden. I'm gonna give you more details. You might not know what I mean when I say it's like a garden. Does it smell good? Are there bugs in it? Why is it like a garden? I said my heart is like a garden because it is always growing. So I'm gonna write that. Because it is always growing. Period. And then read the whole thing. My heart is like a garden because it is always growing. And now I have to write one more about how I feel. So I'm gonna use as this time. So I'm gonna say, I feel as sad as the sun on a cloudy day. Let's see, I could tell I don't really have a lot of room left here, so I'm actually gonna turn my paper over and keep writing on the back. It might be better, my friends, to just start a new paper today. That way all of your writing can be seen on one page. Okay, so I'm gonna start at the top. I am, make sure you have spaceman. I am as sad as the sun on a cloudy. Ooh, that's a new word. Ready? Cloudy. Loud. E. On a cloudy day. A. Ooh, remember though, day is a sight word and we know there's a Y at the end. I am as sad as the sun on a cloudy day. Period. Okay, my friends, so I want 2 more similes today. One about what your heart is like, and another one about how you are feeling. I can't wait to read it.